This is the February TOYL box, Time of Your Life. Let's have a little look here and see what we have this month. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video I have this, trying not to show my address. I have this. So this is the February TOYL box, Time of Your Life. Let's open her up and see what we've got. Right, so this is inside the box. This is what it looks like, and it is always very, very neat indeed. So in the box we get the edit card. It has information on all the products that are in the box, which is great. I'll be looking at that throughout the video. And let me just rearrange this so we can have a little proper sneak peek. There you go, there is a little sneak peek for you. If you are interested in getting this box, it's £35 per month. That does include postage. You get anywhere from 4 to 6 items in your box per month, and it's generally higher end items for the more mature skin type, but start young. Definitely start young. Take my advice. Do what I say, not what I do, because I started too late. But yeah, I am super excited. Let's dig through. So back to the edit card. So basically this is just telling me, yep, this is the February box, and it's halt the signs and reverse the damage. So we're going to get some very interesting products in here indeed. The value of this box I think is £123, which is amazing. We've got 4 items in here, so let's get things kicked off. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I am going to be having a giveaway hopefully soon. I'm going to link a video just here. In that video, it's going to show you what's going to be in my giveaway. So when I get to 2,000 subscribers, in that video, there's 3 prizes to be won by 3 people. The main one is the glossy 2021 advent calendar, which is chef's kiss. So yeah, get subscribing, and please, if you can, share my channel with your friends and family. The quicker we get there, the quicker these prizes can get out of my house. So again, I just want to apologise. The angle of the camera is not great. I've got all of this in the background, which isn't great either. I'm in the middle of doing a skincare declutter, and it has taken over my life. That's the only way I can do it. I have trashed my whole room, and this is the only angle that I have available. So yeah, sorry about that, but let's get going. Okay, guys, so the first thing we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Somerville, and it's a dermal quench liquid lift and retinol. I love a bit of retinol. The RRP for this is £23, and it just says nothing helps the skin maintain moisture like hyaluronic acid. And this spray, oh, it's a spray, okay, didn't know that, will give you at least 1 month's worth of serious moisture retention to help you smooth lines and wrinkles. This mega packed formula is likened to Kate's world-class oxygen facial that she dishes out to our A-listers in LA, and I like to think that we brought a little bit of that to your home. This is a skin booster extraordinaire. Use it well. I bloody well will. It says here, this is your new best friend. Cool. Let's open it up. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. It's actually in a can, and yeah, it just on top it says shake well, and then I presume, yep, you lift that off and then you just squirt. Should we have a little go? Should we? Yeah. So shake well. I like it. So there we go. There, I've just sprayed it on there. I've sprayed way too much on. Never mind. It has a very light, delicate, pleasant fragrance. Oh, it's almost like a, obviously it's a liquid that's been sprayed on, but it almost like, it was like a fizzy sensation there, like a little foamy sensation. That actually feels really nice on the skin. I like that. Oh, that smell, it smells so good. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by Morad. Morad do some amazing, fantastic products. And this is City Skin Age Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 50. Fan-bloody-tastic. I love SPF 50. And wow, the RRP for this is £60 fabulous. This product goes beyond just UV defense to protect against the 5 causes of accelerated aging within skin. It works against the damage of UVA and UVB light from the sun, blue light from excessive screen time, and 96% of pollution and infrared radiation. Okay, it is 100% mineral and absorbs quickly without leaving an ashy residue that some mineral sunscreens have. Okay, it's safe for sensitive skin, it's fragrance free, and it isn't a chemical sunscreen. It's also a worldwide bestseller and should be worn every day, whether you're inside or out. Yeah, that is absolutely fabulous. That sounds amazing. I'm not going to open this because I don't want to risk it going off if it's left sitting there for a little while. But I am loving that bottle. Let's just... Is it sealed? It's not. Okay, it's not. We might as well just test it. It's quite thick in there. You can see that there. It's peaked and it's not spreading out at all. So let's just... Oh, it feels really luxurious and thick. But then when you massage it in, it's very easy. Ooh. Definitely, I can't really smell a fragrance, but it has got like a little bit of an ointmenty smell to it. But yeah, that does feel lovely. My makeup's going to sit really nice on that, actually. That's great. Feels really nice and soft after I can't get my words out today, after it has absorbed. Third product we have is by Beauty Pro. I love Beauty Pro. I've mainly tested out a lot of their face masks that they have. I'm aware they do other products, just haven't really had a chance to test a lot of them out. Yeah, but this is a brightening vitamin C 10% daily serum. Oh my god, I love vitamin C. I'm so happy about this. So the RRP for this is £15, and it just says vitamin C is a tricky ingredient. It breaks down really fast when in contact with light and air, so you want it in an airtight container and not in such large quantities as it's going to last longer than 1 month. Okay, this gorgeous serum is 100% plant-based and cruelty-free, and most of all, it works. Awesome. We'll be the judges of that when we try it out. So that's what the bottle looks like. Is that... I think it's glass. Just nearly smashed it there, Joanne. Never mind. Yeah, let's give this a go too. Oh wow. I put way too much on there, but there it is. You can see it run down. It's like a gel, but when moved, liquid. That makes no sense. I know what I mean. Oh, I put way too much on. Oh, that feels gorgeous. It has a really delicate, pleasant smell to it as well. That has absorbed beautifully in the skin. The fourth and final product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand, is it Prai? Oh, I think that's how you pronounce it. P-R-A-I. I'm probably saying it wrong, but never mind. And it's Menoglow Collagen Boosting Cream Gel Moisturiser. This has an RRP of £25. It just says, this is more than just a moisturiser. This magic multi-purpose day cream is designed to put back what menopause takes out, ramping up collagen, boosting hydration, smoothing wrinkles, and easing redness, all wrapped up in a feel-good, cool gel texture. Awesome. Ooh, look at that. And it's in glass as well. I love a bit of bouge. Ooh, can you see that there? It is like a thick gel consistency. Let's just take a bit off here. I'm running out of places. So let's just put it here. Excuse all the bruises and stuff there. Ooh, it glides lovely on the skin. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It smells absolutely gorgeous. And then look at the glow that it's given my arm there. Oh, lovely, absolutely lovely. Hi guys, so this is the February TOYL box, Time of Your Life. What is it? Halt the signs and reverse the damage. What do you think? Right, so personally, even though we've only got 4 products in this box, I love it. I absolutely love it. There's some really good brands there, some top quality, decent products, worth a hefty price as well. Yeah, I'm gonna feel very bougie indeed using my new products. I am excited to use those, absolutely. Yeah, let me know your comments down below. Comment away. Do you get this box? Are you interested in getting it? I'm nosy. I need to know everything. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not yet, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.